Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your account from hackers with Discover, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your account from hackers using Discover, start by creating a strong password. Use a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or names. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This requires a second form of verification, such as a text message or authentication app. Make sure to regularly monitor your account statements for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to Discover immediately. Keep your email address updated and check it frequently for security alerts. Be cautious of phishing emails that attempt to steal your login credentials. Always access your Discover account through the official website or app. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when logging into sensitive accounts. Consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, when accessing the internet in public spaces. Regularly update your password and avoid reusing old passwords. Implement security questions that are difficult for others to guess. Review your account settings and privacy options to optimize security. If necessary, consider enrolling in Discover's identity theft protection services. Educate yourself about different types of scams and how to recognize them. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your account being hacked. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.